Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of September 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Please don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading. Sometimes they're not for you, honey. Okay, let's start. The overall energy for the connection or the mutual energy for the connection right now, Scorpio. Okay, they're in reverse. Right. Okay, let's see. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Judgment card. So both of you are right now in this energy of breaking free from the situation, letting go of whatever happened completely. One of you, at least one of you, is still hoping for some kind of reconciliation, coming back together by releasing whatever happened completely, by having this forgiveness kind of energy, asking for forgiveness or forgiving the other person here, and giving it another shot, having a brand new beginning in this direction, having a brand new beginning in this chapter, and taking the risk of coming back together, like making it come back together. But the problem here is that you guys have to let go of lot of obstacles or challenges or lot of troublesome energies that you were dealing with when you guys were together. You guys might be still together, but there is some kind of distance here right now. This is like somebody is still living in the hope that someday you guys are going to catch up with each other again. Someday you guys are going to take the risk of moving forward in this direction again, and letting go of everything whatever happened, and starting from the scratch. Okay, so the mutual energy is of starting from the scratch, having a breakthrough, having a brand new beginning, a stable, safe, and secure and grounded kind of brand new beginning. But the difference here is that one of you wants it with the other person here, like the same dynamic which we are talking about, and one of you wants it with a fresh energy, fresh person, fresh connection, new person. Okay, let's see what we have. The person that you are that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Scorpio. Justice. So this person, Scorpio, is feeling like they should do the right thing here. Whatever they did wrong, they should right their wrongs. And if this is some kind of divorce thing or legal battle thing that you guys are fighting for, this person is feeling like getting the justice as per whatever is happening. Now this person feels like balancing it out, doing the right thing in the right direction with the right kind of mindset, whatever it means in their from their end side, as per your situation. If you guys are going through a divorce process or separation process or something, this person is feeling like this is the right thing that's happening, and they should just let it happen. Okay. If not, this person is feeling like now they should do whatever is right in this situation, even if nobody is watching. Okay, doing the justice, the balance with the situation. From your side, you feel like strength. So from your side, you feel like you should remain detached from the situation as much as you can, even if it is taking a lot of strength and courage from your side to remain detached from the situation. You feel like not getting involved whatsoever. Yeah, you feel like you should just stay in this no contact or stay silent. You have a lot to say, you have a lot to convey to this person, but you are choosing silence over doing anything about the situation, even if it is taking lot of courage from your side and strength from your side. You feel like you should just do your own thing, be in your own nest, and not get involved in this situation as of now. For some of you, the scenario might be that this person is going through a separation or divorce process, and you're waiting for this process to be completely over so that you guys can do something about the situation. The roles can be reversed also, okay, might be very much possible. That's why you're feeling like let them do whatever they're doing, and once they're going to be completely free out of that situation that they're already involved in, then you are going to do or say something about the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Eight of Pentacles. They want to put in the effort and energy in the situation step by step, one day at a time. They don't want to like do everything quickly, like okay, today we are talking, tomorrow we are going to, get settled, and to and the third day we are going to have kids. This person wants to take the situation forward very slowly and gently, like one day at a time, trying to understand how they should approach the situation in a proper manner, putting in the effort and energy, but slowly but surely. So basically, this person wants to test the waters, starting from the scratch and understanding what's going to work out and what's not going to work out, so that they can proceed further in this direction. And if they feel, while proceeding further in towards you, if they feel it's not working out the way they want it to work out, they might take a step back. This is their intention. In your intention, we have the World card. You just want to finish the unfinished business. There is still some kind of completion of a cycle that needs to be completely done, completely over. This is some kind of a situation that keeps on repeating itself again and again and again. And now you are kind of done with this repeating this cycle again and again. Now you just want this situation to be completely over, the unfinished business to be completely finished, so that you can move forward. Again, you might be waiting for this person to end something in their life completely, so that they can be here completely, and you are waiting for this situation to be completely over, so that you can move forward towards a brand new opportunity or brand new energy. Take it how it resonates with you, according to your situation, according to your case. What could be, let me see, the action from this person's side, if any, by the end of this month? We have the Lovers. See, they might approach you in a very loving way, but at the same time they have a choice to make, they have a decision to make. Well, like with whomsoever they are attached to, or whatever is happening in their individual life, I don't think so they're going to leave everything behind for you, but they're going to make this choice and decision to at least connect with you or reconnect with you one more time, and again test the waters with you. Lovers is the card of choice and decision. They have a choice between you and something else or someone else. They are going to choose you, choose to connect with you, but they're not going to leave the situation that they're already dealing with. That you have to keep in mind. This person is not 100% clean from the past or from the attachments that they're still working connected to. From your side, let me see the possible outcome, possible what we call that. Wow, action. My God, I keep on forgetting the words. This is Five of Swords. You are going to create scenarios in your mind. You're going to think about the situation, and whenever you are going to think about the situation, it's going to create a lot of negativity in your mind, and you will not be able to feel good about it. So your heart is completely closed off right now, and your mind is creating negative scenarios all the time, and that's why you're not even able to see any kind of positivity in the situation whatsoever. So you are like, you're going to be stressed out. It's going to be a mental chatter behind your behind your mind, behind the back of your mind. It's going to be always there, this chatter, but you are not going to do anything about it. In fact, if this person is going to show up in your inbox again, or talking, calling, or whatever action they're going to take, whatever, in whatever way, you're not going to feel easy about it. You're not going to feel quite happy about it. You're going to be very stressed out about it. You're going to be like, I don't know what I have to do. I don't think positive about it. It's not giving me any kind of positive vibes. So you might feel a little bit disturbed even if they're going to connect. So no action from your side. They might connect with you, but they have other things going on in their life that they are connected to. They are not going to leave that situation as of now to be with you. Let me see what could be the possible outcome for you guys for the situation till the end of this month. Knight of Pentacles. Things are really stuck, really slow. Nothing is moving ahead actually. Energetically, a lot is shifting in actually this person's life, that the energy that you're attached to. Your life is kind of same. You are kind of working on yourself, trying to figure out the ways to get out of this chatter that's going on behind your back, behind your yeah, mind all the time. Yeah, but it's like things are stagnant, things are not moving forward. A lot of not being able to move forward, not being able to go backwards kind of energy. So outcome here is stagnancy. Not pregnancy, stagnancy. My god, why I've heard that. Oh, what, pregnancy? No. Cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys as the Seven of Pentacles. You might be passing each day of your life with this hope that today something is going to change. Today something is going to change. Okay, today is the day if something is going to change. You're continuously waiting for the day when you are going to get some kind of results of your hard work that you're putting in this area of your life or in yourself. Yeah. So if you're going to continuously attach yourself with the outcome of whatever you're doing or whatever you're waiting for, guess what, that thing is going to be more and more delayed in your life. That thing is going to be more and more, what should I say, that thing is going to be more and more far away from you instead of coming towards you. So stop waiting for something or someone to show up in your life all the time. Obviously, you might not be doing it deliberately, it's happening and you are not doing it, but try to not divert your mind, because it's going to be then avoiding. Try to accept the fact that everything is going to happen at the divine timing when it is supposed to happen. Try to like uh, use those ways in your life that's going to help you to create the detachment, healthy detachment, instead of unhealthy waiting all the time. This is not a negative card, this is the card of waiting and watching and getting some kind of results. But in the guidance, this person is continuously looking at the plant. So you might be continuously waiting for some kind of results or answers or message communication or something. If you're going to continuously stay connected to the energy of wanting to have something, some result, it's not going to happen anytime soon. You have to detach yourself in a healthy way, and you have to live your life in that peaceful manner where, like, if it is going to happen, good. If it's not going to happen, I'm living my life, I'm loving my life, and I'm taking care of myself the best way possible, in the best way possible, right? So okay, let's see the final message for you guys. We have the healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Might be this is a repetitive history in your life, might be some kind of family histories also there regarding your love and relationship area that you have to heal properly. Now, for those of you, if you don't have anything like that, any family history of these kind of connections or repetitive connection, it might be your personal issue. You keep on attracting these kind of energies again and again and again in your life. So you need to understand what's in you that's attracting these kind of energies again and again in your life. You have to break that chain, you have to break that cycle. Otherwise you will be, always repeating this cycle, and it's going to be a never ending process. You guys have to figure that out. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.